Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I really felt like doing a very fall inspired makeup look. So you are seeing this on Monday. I'm actually filming it the day before, so it's Sunday and this is my last day of vacation. So I thought this would be a really nice way to kind of unwind and get ready for the months to come. And if you are new here, hi, I'm Joanna. Consider subscribing. It's free, and without any further ado, let's start putting on makeup. Okay, so in the summer I did enjoy some more dewy skin, and in winter I usually prefer a little bit more matte, but now I'm kind of a little bit in between, so I'm going to use some matte products and some glowy products. And for my primer I'm using the Primark Vitamin Primer. I should probably get my hair out of the way, but this one is really good. It's very hydrating and I really like that for either a glowy or a matte base. Is this too bright? I think I'm a little bit too bright. Maybe it's better like this. And I think I'll start with my brows. No, I'll just do all my base first. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay, and this one is very matte, but I think I'll just use a small amount of it. I'm taking only one pump, and I've really been enjoying applying foundation with a brush. Okay, so one pump was not enough. I'm just taking a little bit more. So I was looking at my content kind of calendar or ideas thing, and I do have a lot of different ideas, but let me know if you have any video suggestions. Okay, so for concealer I'm using something more glowy. I'm using the NYX Born to Glow. I was thinking about doing some videos related to my makeup collection, kind of doing some sort of makeup collection month in November. I think that is nice. Last year I have done one or two videos at least related to my makeup collection in November, so I think November is a really nice makeup collection month. And to set my base, I'm doing really my most recent routine, that is the Kiko Invisible Touch, where I've put concealer and also around my nose, and the Revolution Pro Skin Finish on the rest of my face. So this part is still for a very glowy skin. Okay, so I think I'm just going to do all of my face now, and I'll do my eyes next. So for bronzer, I'm using the Revolution Reloaded in Take a Vacation. I think this has kind of a more medium bronze that I think will be nice for fall. And for my blush, I'm going to use one that I think I'll definitely love for fall. That is the NYX Sweet Cheeks, and this is the glowy version. And I have it in the shade Citrine Rose, that I think is a beautiful color for fall. It's kind of a orangey tone. And I think this is looking a little bit weird without any eyeshadow, but I think it will look nice at the end. And for highlighter, I'm using another product from NYX. This is the High Class highlighter in the shade Moon Glow. This is kind of a champagne gold. And I'm also keeping this around because I'll use it a little bit on my eyes. Okay, so for my brows, I just want to do something very simple, and I think I'll do it off camera because I can't really speak while doing it anyway. But I'm using the Cien Brow Perfect pencil. This is from LIDL, and a little bit of the Essence Make Me Brow gel, so that's for a very natural brow. Okay, so now for my eyeshadow, I've also primed my lids with the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. And for today's look, I'm going to use a palette I haven't used for a while, but I think is the perfect fall palette. It is the Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division. That was supposed to be a Subculture dupe. I think I'll do something very neutral with this brown and maybe the black. But I definitely want something very simple, so I think I'll start by doing a transition with this kind of beigey matte color. This just kind of gives a little bit of dimension to the eye. Okay, so I'm just zooming you in a little bit so you can see better, and I'm just going to build my crease using this brown I mentioned. Actually, I think this brush is a little bit small for what I want, but I definitely need to wash my brushes again. So I'm just blending a little bit with the previous brush, and I'm using the ones from the Jessup eye brush set that I normally use. It's everything linked in the description box. So this one is the Luxe Petite Crease, and the other one is just the Luxe Soft Crease. So I'm keeping this brown more intense on the outer corner. Okay, again, this is super simple, and I think I will take the black and maybe do kind of a soft smoky eyeliner with it. But actually first I'm just going to take a shimmer on my lid, and this palette doesn't actually have a lot of them, but I will use this one. This looks really nice even without a wet base or setting spray. I'm just intensifying it a little bit with my finger. And for that shimmer I used the Luxe Smoky Shader. And now for the black, very close to my lashes, I'm using the Morphe M213 that I think is the smudger brush. So I'm taking the matte black and I'm taking it very close to my lashes. Just making it a little bit thicker on this outer corner. Yeah, this just helps to lift this part a little bit. And I'm just taking a little bit more of the two previous shades just to re-intensify this a little bit. On my lower lash line, I think I'm just taking this one all over it. And for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm just going to use the highlighter as I mentioned. And for this one, I'm using the Luxe pencil brush. So now to finish my eyes, I'm taking a little bit of the Cien Khol Kajal in brown on my waterline. And for mascara, I'll be using the NYX On The Rise Volume Lift Mascara. Okay, so super simple eye look, but it does definitely give me some fall vibes. And for my lipstick, I'm using one of my favorite fall lipsticks. It is the Kiko Dark Treasure Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one was from a limited edition fall collection, but they do have something very similar. I think it's in the Lost in Amalfi collection, and this one is in the shade 02. I really love it. It's kind of a very lightweight matte liquid lipstick as soon as it dries. And to set this look, I'm using the Primark Fix and Perfect that I'm almost done with. Okay, and that is the finished look. It's very neutral, but it definitely gives me very fall vibes. And it's very simple, and actually it was quite affordable. And honestly, I don't think I'm quite ready to finish vacation, but there's really nothing I can do. So this look kind of helps me a little bit more to kind of face the months to come, because now I probably won't have any time off until the end of May, beginning of June. So yeah, if this look also gave you some fall vibes, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know what other sort of fall looks you'd like to see, or just any other video ideas. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos like this one every Monday, Thursday and Saturday. And that is everything for this one. Thank you so much for watching.